Welcome home to 56 Charles Place. This beautiful one-owner home in Westgate Estates is located in Conestoga Valley School Districts. I'm Marion with the Marion Rutt team. The foyer welcomes you into the living room and formal dining room. It's a perfect place for entertaining family and friends. The kitchen boasts tile backsplash, a new refrigerator, a portable island, and also includes a nice dining area. A first-floor laundry including washer and dryer and a powder room are adjacent to the kitchen. A family room with slider door to the large deck overlooking the lovely backyard is a great place to relax and enjoy the outdoors. The second floor includes the master bedroom with 2 double closets and a private bath. There are 2 additional bedrooms and a hall bath with linen closet. You will love the improved daylight lower level with a slider door to the patio and shed with electricity. Included is a second family room, a 4th bedroom or office with 2 closets, plus a walk-in closet for storage. Thank you for viewing 56 Charles Place, and call the Marion Rutt team for your private showing at 717-629-3877.